All right, hopefully you can. I'm gonna start recording myself because I want to see how I act. Trade. I took one trade. I felt pretty good about it, but like I got stopped out, which is gonna happen. I'm only taking 2 trades a day on my rest account. Currently down to total account. Um, so, oh, actually, I'm down 300 total for the account. So what I'm gonna do is take one more trade. If I lose that trade, that's gonna put me at $500 total. Um, Basically, and I think what I'll do is I'll probably just scale down for tomorrow. I felt pretty good about the trade though. I just wish I would have hit record. So basically, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the high level 15-minute resistance, 15-minute support here, and I'm just waiting for price to either break to the downside or to the upside. This trend line that's right here. I have an area of interest that I've marked up on the 5-minute here. So if price does break above here, I'll take a buy on the 5-minute chart. Looks like we might get a tree here, get a nice impulse move to break that resistance trend line. Actually, what I'm looking for is basically like a violent break of this support, which will be a break of this trend line, this support. Take it for a 1 to 2 here. Might see a little retracement here, or we might break this as well and continue to the upside, but I'm only going to hold for price. Yeah, candle closure might move super fast. We want good pressure, buying pressure up there. If we get like a jolt up there, right to that line.
Order filled.
Moving stops to break even. We're at 1 to ride it. I'm leaving stops break even. So there's my 1 to 1. Break to a 1 to 2. Just gonna hold it.
Order filled.
That's all right. 2 trades. 1 break even. I think what I'll do is, since 1 break even, 1 loss, what I'm going to take trade. But I'm gonna hold out for the. So basically, what I do is once the price gets to about a 1 to 1, I put it at break even, and then I try my hardest to just hold for a 1 to 2. Sometimes it's hard, especially because it moves fast, and then you do want to secure profits, but it messes with your risk to reward if you don't just leave it and you hold out for a 1 to 2, it does mess with your risk to reward. And then that's one of the issues that I was having. Just I need to just execute the trade and just leave it alone. Execute the trade, just leave it alone. Let it get to 1 to 2. And the reason why I say that is because I saw a video. I saw a video the other day and it said when you place a trade, you're willing to hold off all the way till it hits your stop loss. So if you're willing to hold out all the way to stop loss, why are you not willing to hold out to a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 or whatever your target is? So all that video, right? I'm sitting there staring at my stop loss, watching it about to get smacked, and I can't sit there and just wait for my to hit. Especially after once it hits a 1 to 1, I go break even, so it's a risk-free trade. There's no reason. There's no reason to not just let it do its thing. Look up, trust strategy. This would have hit 1 to 2 for this one, but it broke us even. I don't like to when there's a huge wick like that. Like it was a huge wick. Obviously, it's filling it back up, but I don't like to just re-enter impulsively into the same trade, especially now after like it's super whippy like this. This would easily drop back down. I'd rather just wait for the 15-minute candle. This looks like a great zone anyways. I'll just wait for the 15-minute candle to break, and then I'll just take that 15 trade instead of the 5-minute trade. Perfectly okay. It might happen during session right now, or it might happen later. But I did see US 30 or Y. Oh man. Well, US 30 was a beautiful trade. I didn't take it because I try to stick to one instrument and that's it. But I was looking at US 30. US 30 just hit a 1 to 7. It's a beautiful, amazing trade. I just trading's already hard enough as it is. I don't want to confuse myself and then paying attention to two instruments, second guessing yourself, stuff like that. Like I don't want to do that. So I just kind of just stick to Nasdaq. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll just mark both of them up. I'll see which one looks prettier and stick to that one. So we can get push here, get our. It's always good to record yourself because you can kind of look back and be like, bro, like your emotions were super out of whack, and it helps you basically journal, helps you kind of fix trading. I think the stop loss might be too big. Could probably bring it down to 20 and get a better risk reward, but it's safe. We don't really have anything stopping us from that 1 to 3, so I think if I were to adjust my stop loss, I'd probably put it to like 20. Here we go. Get a good pop. Looking for a good pop. Just because it touches my entry area doesn't mean I'm going to enter. What I want to see is I want to see it pop through. See like that. It pop, 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 pop. See it like blast through it. Full comp.
Order
Oh
filled.
no, I've got
Order
in.
filled.
Oops. You got it. Oh, there we
Order
go.
filled.
There we go. Could have just left it in, but it's all right. Fast on the trigger. Let's go for a straight 1 to 2. Off. Might have just been a fake out. If we lose this, I'm locking out because that would be I'm down 400 for the day. So all right, happens. Still, I was a little fast on the trigger earlier, and that's all be. Sometimes these things move so fast that you gotta just have to, time it. But it's all good. If we lose this, I'm gonna lock out. It'll be my second day for a loss. Gonna accept it, move on. But I love this trade. I wish this trade right here didn't push us to break even. It would have been a very nice 1 to 2 trade for this one. The good thing is that our analysis was correct. So we had this trend line, it broke, shot up, it took us out at break even. So we waited for this next trade, which it still has the potential to push higher. We'll see. So we do love this. See if we can get to one to once we get to 1 to 1, I'm gonna move stops to break even. Hold off for 1 to 2. Like I said earlier, I feel like what I should have done is I should have put oh, here we go. Get to it's all good. We set our stop loss. Who knows? If I would have put a smaller stop loss, it would have got hit. I got to rewatch the video. I don't like the way this is moving. It's almost at a 1 to 1. I'm move stops to break even, and I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold it from here. We're basically almost at a 1 to 1. Risk-free trade. Let's just hold off. What I need to do is I need to put my boots on, anyways. I don't want to touch this because usually what happens is you start messing with your stop loss. You start messing with like whatever, and then screw yourself out of a good trade. So let's just ride it out. Let's just ride it out to 1 to 2. We'll be up on the green for the day. This will be a third technical trade, but if this hits TP, I'm done for the day. If it hits break even, I'm absolutely done for the day. There's a TP1. I'm absolutely done for the day if it hits break even because I was only supposed to take 2 trades, but it was 1 break even, 1 loss. You know, so I'm willing to risk 400 on every day. So we'll see what happens. If it takes us out break even, it is what it is. I don't secure or do anything at TP1s. Looks like we might get broken even. I'm just gonna hold.
Order filled.
There we go. All right, I'm done for the day. 2 good trades, 2 great trades. The first one would have been hit TP. The first one we took the trade at around this area here. Took the trade right around this area. As soon as it broke, we would have definitely hit 1 to 2 for sure. Okay, we took right here. Took like about right here. Would have hit almost like a 1 to 3. The good thing is that, and I can't complain about this. The good thing is that I trusted my analysis. It was just the market. The market sometimes does that. The market will push in your direction, take you out, and then go in your direction that you knew was gonna go. And that's just the way it is, man. That's just the way it is, to be honest. This one, right? So followed our rules. Supposed to do. Take it as a lesson. Probably rewatch this. It's a 20-minute video. I'll probably edit it. You know what? I'm gonna keep it raw. Cut. Guys, tomorrow.